Yeah, take him for a ride.
This is not right.
Nice working with you. I'm sorry.
We were really impressed by the Honda Fit folding rear seat.
Vincent thinks this is the greatest thing in the world.
Think about it. It probably is the best thing in the world.
He's to be with his brother.
Woo! We are riding around in a little car. Woo! My big brother's driving. Are you recording this? How dare you?
Jackson's driving around and picking up things for Vincent, giving it to him. Oh, you're so sweet. No, I'm so scared of his little fingers.
Beep, beep, beep.
Alright, slowly, 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 because he's not strapped in.
You can put a seatbelt in.
Well, I would never let him go outside of the house with it.
Not even if you have a seatbelt? Papa?
Jack wants to give him a box. How about this box, Vincent? Here you go, Vincent. Here's a box.
And space book. Space book. It's not. Uh-oh. He don't like it.
What do you want, Sheldon? I looked over the door and it turns out
A
you
new box.
So you were wrong. I didn't say that. That's the logical inference. Unless I didn't say that.
There we go.
Anyway, I would like you to come back
No.
Oh, he doesn't need the box. It's kind of big.
in this context for me could mean with me. Alright, but that's some conditions. I reject them all. I'll take the job. See you Monday. Wait, you have to drive me home.